Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Infinix Smart 6 HD device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on this device using household items. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use to not damage your USB charging port. Okay, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. To clear it, we will use old toothbrush. Toothbrush, it is the best tool to clean your connector. Trust me. Okay, now remove your cover if you have, and insert the one part of the brush into the connector. And just try to pry the dirt out. Okay, try to all dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.